Namaste yogis. I am Yogi Vipin Singh Farswan, and on the behalf of Himalayan Yoga Association, as a teacher here, I am welcoming you all in this online teacher training course. I am your Vinyasa teacher and I am wishing you all the very best for the course. Namaste. Take a deep breath in. Slowly lift your head up by taking a fingertip support. Inhale up and exhale, relax. So as we are done with the leg balancing postures or sequence, now we are moving to arm balancing posture. So today our posture is 𝐘𝐨𝐿, also known as one leg crane. So first we'll work on some shoulder mobility and then some shoulder blade movement and core, then we'll move to the posture. So let's do the preparation. So come up in tabletop position. Now gently place your wrist aligned with the shoulders. It's like this. Your finger should be spread and try to maintain your index finger aligned with the shoulder. So if you have a bit confusion about it, so I'm showing you how. Don't put your fingers in, not too much out. This should be in one line. Now from here, let's do some preparation. So shift your weight forward and exhale back. Look from here. So without bending your elbow, shift your weight forward and exhale back. Inhale and exhale. Nice and slowly exhale, go forward and inhale, move backward. Nice and slowly. This is the best and good preparation for the wrist. It will help you to avoid wrist injury while doing arm balancing postures. So make sure always do warm up. Now back to the center. This time turn your palm outside, your fingers outside, like this. Now we are moving to side. Inhale and exhale. Keep pressing your fingertip. Nice and slowly. Go with the controlling. Now back to the center. This time we are turning our fingers inside. Now you can tuck your toes in and exhale, shift your hip back, stretch your forearm and make sure you are not lifting your palm up. Your palm should be grounded and hold. Move forward and exhale. Hold, breathe, move forward and exhale, hold here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come forward and relax. Nice. So let's do on the opposite side. So you can place you can interlace your one finger over another. Now place your right hand down and try to push with the left hand, like you are massaging your hand or your palm, and hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Now switch your side and hold here for 5, 4, and 3. Back to the center. Release your hand and relax. So let's move for the shoulder strength. So back to downward facing dog. Now shift your weight forward for Santulana Asana, plank pose. Don't lift your hip like this. Your hip should be in and squeeze. And hold here for 3, 2, 1. Gently drop your elbow down. And again, don't do this mistake. Your hip should be in line with your shoulder. And hold here for 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees down. Extend your elbow and back to plank. And hold here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, drop your knees down. Find your elbow plank and lift your knees off to the mat. Stay strong. Now this time, shift your weight on the left side. You can lift your right hand up and make sure your hip not going downward. This should be high. Engage your obliques and hold here. So in case if you are feeling discomfort to find your balance, you can place your right leg back like this and hold. 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. And exhale, switch. Nice. And hold here for 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. Stay strong, nice. You are doing great. Drop your knees down. Now take a support with your palm. Extend your elbow. Back to plank. Now switch towards the left side. And inhale, lift your hands up. Again, if you are feeling discomfort here, or uncomfortable, do the same modification and lift your hand up. And hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Switch your side, back to plank, and switch. And hold here for 5. Keep pushing your shoulders high. 3, 2, 1. Back to the plank. Slower down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up and exhale. Relax to downward facing dog. Slowly drop your knees down and relax a bit here. You can move and you can rotate your wrist, your palm, gently, nicely. Take your time. And inhale up. Now we are moving to our balancing posture. So first let's do 2-leg crow. So place your hand here. So prepare yourself. Shift your weight forward. Find your crow and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Nice job, guys, and relax. So now, first I'm showing you how it looks like. 1-leg kakasana, ekpada kakasana. So look here. So our posture is this one. So if you are a beginner person or intermediate, so shifting your weight on one hand to another hand is kind of hard in the beginning. So we'll do the easiest way to find out your posture. So for this, I have one modification for you with the strap. So first I'm showing you how you can enter in this posture easily. Then we'll do with the strap, okay? So I found this easier by doing this one. Like your one leg should be straight and your one leg over the elbow or over the triceps, wherever you feel comfort. And now slowly by slowly, as you feel comfort, you can lift your leg up. Always do with the both side. The same on the left side also. As you feel comfort, lift, lift, and lift. So this is the easiest way to find out your 𝐘𝐸 So I'm showing you how you can enter this position with a strap for those who are not feeling comfortable with lifting their hips high. So look here how to use a strap. So you can place a strap underneath your thigh on the back of the hamstring and then over your mid back. So our mid back is this part. So this feels so uncomfortable here right now. Now try to lock your strap. As tight as you want, according to your body types, according to your comfort, you can lock your strap. So now you can see the strap is on my back of the thigh and over my mid back. Now from here, I'm doing this more tight. Same thing. Find a crow. So this strap is going to feel your stability here, the part of your stability. So you can easily find stability for this posture. Now as you feel comfort, lift up. So this is the easiest way and easy modification with the strap you can use. And exhale, relax. And now by removing the strap, you can switch your side. So this is the easiest way with the strap you can use in your practice. So now let's relax in child pose. Roll your hands back. Take a deep breath in and exhale.